Hi guys. Normally, I would just put the rotor onto my truck. These are the first cross drill and slide it, but I've had so much bad luck with rotors. So I'm gonna try to sand some of this stuff off. I've said that you don't have to do this. Well, actually, a lot of companies will tell you that you need to replace the damn rotor. Yeah, I'm just gonna sand it off. It's just surface rust, as they say. I'm gonna sand it off. I believe I could have put it on without sanding this. I kept them inside, but I guess they got moisture on them. As a matter of fact, I might leave that one on. See what happens. Man, this sandpaper don't play. Hey, one of the holes stopped up there. Oh no, that's not a stopped up hole. As a matter of fact, I should have did this. But should I rub this now? Or should I let the brake pad do it? Anyway, this is dry. I'll let y'all know how it turns out. Y'all ain't gonna guess what that was. It was a Jeep, I don't know, CJ Wrangler, whatever they call that thing. Not the new one. Anywho, alright, hope there's enough light for this. Alright, what rotors did I put on? Those rotors are the rotors I put on at 20,000 miles when I first worked on my truck. I got those rotors online from somewhere. They cross drill, slided, whatever. I wanted regular full-face rotors, but I couldn't find any for cheap, so I got those. I don't remember what they were. I don't think they were too expensive. Anywho, brakes just went to the flow. They pumped up even higher that time. Okay, so now we get, I remember those rotors were starting to pulsate a little. All right, let's see what happens now. Well, I ain't surprised they stopped, fellas. Where's that thing? Yep, I ain't surprised they stopped. I know they gonna stop. It's just a matter of, are they gonna pulsate? Guys, I'm gonna buy some Detroit axle rotors. Just not right now. I've invested too much money in the stock market, and I can barely pay my truck note now. Well, I ain't barely paying, I'm paying it. It just, I'm going into my YouTube tax fund. I put so much money from YouTube to the side, and every year I pay on YouTube taxes. Well, that money is going towards my truck payment in about, what, Tuesday or whatever. Okay, let's see what it stops like. Ooh, that's a lot smoother. That is a lot smoother. Ooh, guys, I haven't felt smooth rotors since before I put them damn Detroit axle pads. What am I looking for? I don't know what I'm looking for. Oh yeah, supposed to start charging this Hero 5. So yeah, they stop a lot smoother, even though I scrubbed some rust off of them. I thought that rust was gonna mess them up, but they stop a lot smoother than the ones that came off. I'm sitting here thinking, man, I gotta, well, it ain't brand new no more. It's 62,000 miles now. But I'm like, I was on my way home, because it wasn't really, I said I was gonna change the rotors, but I got up here and I didn't feel like doing it, right? So I said, man, I'm going home and, I don't know, do something. So I was on my way home and I saw the sign that said there was an accident and 3 lanes were blocked, and I was like, oh my God. So I got off the highway and I was gonna take the streetway home, but then I realized I don't feel like taking the streetway home. So I decided, you know what, I'm just gonna come back up to my job, grab the damn rotors and put them on here. Yeah, they stop a lot smoother than the rotors that Detroit Axle mixed up. And while it's still daylight, I guess I'll pull over and let you guys see what it look like now. I'm sure all that rust is gone. I thought that because that rust, it was gonna pulsate. Nah. I probably didn't even have to scrape that rust off, but I went on and did it. Because normally my dad used to sell rotors all the time that was, you know, had rust on them like that. And people would be like, oh, you know, I need to get my rotors turned. My father, man, just put them rotors on, go on about your damn business. People used to do it. He said, if they shake, bring them back. People never did come back. Oh man, that's that. I'm stopping from 60 miles per hour. Oh, that feels so good to be able to put on brakes and not feel this in a new truck, guys. It's irritating. So let's see what the, I'm sure they wipe clean right now. Oh, yes, sir. Damn things are hot, but you can see you can see where I scratched them a little bit. See that scratch? I'm just glad the suckers ain't shaking no more. Hey, them some out of draws. This is Dre. Hope y'all have a good day. I'm happy I finally got my truck to stop shaking without buying new rotors.